Hello guys, SSC released a important notice. It's a combined graduate level tier 1 examination and important dates, tier 1 examination dates. So starting from schedule of examination 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th and 16th, 17th and up to 26th September 2025. So tier 1 examination schedule SSC CGL combined graduate level examination tier 1. Next, information regarding a city of examination and admission certificate. So, Tier 1, the candidates of combined graduate level examination may kindly refer the notice dated 9th 6th 2025 according to the notice. So, however, the candidates intimation city slip guys date, the candidates can view their examination city details from 3 September 2025 by logging in through designated login module the website commission ssc.gov.in. The candidates will be able to download their admission certificate 2-3 days before respective of exam date. So you can download call letter 2 to 3 days. First of all, you have to view their examination city from 3 September 2025. So this is the examination city intimation notice and examination dates. So prepare very well. So thank you. All the best.